Have you ever sent your work to a client and they take it, then you get nothing for your payments? Worry no more. Flexy Graphix's Watermark Guard tool was made for this. First step is going to the tool by clicking the link in the description. Second, click Upload Image and select the image you want to secure. Step 3. Enter the text you want shown as a watermark, which can be brand name or anything you want. Step 4. Play around with the opacity and font size to see which one suits you. You can see the preview of your image as you set it up. When satisfied, click the Download button, select where you want to save your work, and that's it. You have secured your work from unauthorized use. You can now preview it on your PC or mobile device. Feel free to browse through our website to see more free tools, games, downloads, services, and apps. Contact us using our contact page link in the description. Now, I hope that was exciting. We would like to know in the comments, will you want us to add a video watermark in our tools? Leave a comment, and we will catch up. Have a nice day.